Imagine Bengal in the 18th century, the wealthiest province in India, yet within a few short years it was seized by the British, heralding the dawn of colonial rule. How did the British manage to overpower the formidable Bengal Nawabs? What roles did treachery, cunning diplomacy, and fierce battles play? Join us as we unravel the British conquest of Bengal step by step, making it simple to grasp and vital for your exams. Bengal was the crown jewel of the Mughal Empire, contributing nearly half of India's GDP. It was a bustling hub for the trade of exquisite textiles, aromatic spices, and valuable opium. Naturally, European powers like the British, French, and Dutch vied fiercely for control over this prosperous region. But it was the British East India Company, led by the cunning Robert Clive, that mastered the art of politics and warfare to seize Bengal. In 1756, Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowlah, the last independent ruler of Bengal, stormed into Calcutta and seized Fort William, furious over British meddling in local politics. Sensing an opportunity, the cunning British, led by Robert Clive, conspired with Mir Jafar, the commander of Siraj's army, to betray the Nawab at the crucial moment. On June 23, 1757, the fateful Battle of Plassey unfolded. The British, with a mere 3,000 troops, stood against a formidable force of 50,000 Nawabi soldiers. But thanks to Mir Jafar's treachery, Siraj's army stood down, paving the way for an effortless British triumph. This was more than just a battle, it was a corporate coup marking the dawn of British dominion in India. After the Battle of Plassey, Mir Jafar ascended as Nawab, but he was nothing more than a puppet controlled by the British. In exchange for his throne, the British plundered an astonishing 22 crore rupees from Bengal's treasury in 1757, one of history's grandest heists. This immense wealth powered Britain's industrial revolution, while Bengal was plunged into severe economic hardship. British officials like Robert Clive returned to England with unimaginable riches, but their insatiable greed knew no bounds. Mir Jafar's reign was short-lived, as he was soon replaced by the ambitious Mir Qasim, who dared to challenge British dominance but ultimately failed. In 1764, the British faced a formidable alliance led by Mir Qasim, the former Nawab of Bengal, Shuja-ud-Dowlah, the Nawab of Awadh, and the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II. The Battle of Buxar, fought on October 22, 1764, was a turning point far more significant than the Battle of Plassey. Despite the Indian alliance boasting a massive 40,000 troops, the British, under the command of Hector Munro, triumphed with a mere 7,000 soldiers. This decisive victory cemented British supremacy in India, altering the course of history. With their decisive victory at Buxar, the British imposed the Treaty of Allahabad in 1765, seizing control of Bengal's revenue system, known as the Diwani rights. This treaty empowered the British to collect taxes, marking the start of the dual government system, where the British controlled Bengal's wealth while the Nawab was left to manage administration. This system bred rampant corruption and economic decline, ultimately leading to the catastrophic Great Bengal Famine of 1770, which claimed the lives of 10 million people. The conquest of Bengal wasn't just about battles, it was a masterclass in economic dominance, political manipulation, and strategic warfare. The British started as humble traders, evolved into political masterminds, and ultimately became rulers. With Bengal firmly in their grip, they laid the groundwork for nearly 200 years of British rule in India.